So I've installed SnirtStopper on my garage doors in order to keep bugs out in the summertime and in the fall, and keep wind out, of course, in the colder weather here. I installed it using the instructions in the video, laid it out on the floor inside actually, and marked out the holes, and it was, I think, much easier to install that way. It went a lot quicker. I also have a detached garage that I put the SnirtStopper on as well. And this garage, when you'd go inside of it, if the lights were off, you could see daylight in from around the edges. And now you turn the lights out inside with the SnirtStopper installed, and it's pitch black in there. So there's no daylight. It's sealed up nice now. And lastly, I have a pole barn door that's quite large, 14 feet high, and it's gray. And I ordered the SnirtStopper in the gray and installed it there as well. And as you can see, it's actually hard to pick out. It matches so well. You can hardly tell it's installed, so it looks really good, and sealed up the building nice.